It's a live view on board the International Space Station inside the cupola, as Don Pettit and Joe Acaba and Andre Kuipers are down there watching Dragon as it backs away on the end of the station's robotic arm. As we mentioned, Joe Acaba is taking his turn as the lead robotic operator during this first portion of the release. Don Pettit's going to take over, actually, for the release itself. Of course, Pettit was the primary robotic arm operator back on May 25th whenever Dragon arrived. This is Mission Control Houston. The crew is continuing to get Dragon positioned and ready for the release that's coming up in about 35 minutes. The two vehicles are about to head up over parts of North America and over Canada. The sun's just beginning to rise, as you see there. There's certain points in time that the crew has to hit during this release process and lighting constraints so that everything aligns with Dragon's plan to re-enter the deorbit burn, once again coming up at 9:51 and 24 seconds a.m. Central Time. And our landing will happen at 10:44 a.m. Central Time. This is Mission Control Houston. Once again, the Dragon spacecraft. They're on the end of the station's robotic arm, completely almost outstretched there. Time is approaching where the Dragon will be released from the arm. Right now, the two spacecraft over the Atlantic Ocean, about to make a northwest to southeast pass. If all goes according to the timeline, this will be Dragon and the station's last daylight pass together as they head toward the other side of the world. This is Mission Control Houston. Dragon is free now. The arm being moved back. Official time 4:49 a.m. Central Time. The two vehicles are over the Southern Ocean just to the southeast of Africa. Once again, Dragon is free from the International Space Station. The crew backing away the robotic arm. Official time 4:49 a.m. Central Time, 5:49 a.m. Eastern. Dragon now conducting its first departure burn. The first burn is complete. In a little more than a minute, Dragon will perform the second of these 3 quick departure burns. These are small pulses of the engines that move Dragon away from the International Space Station itself. But just to recap.
Station on 2 for Dragon. Dragon depart command has been commanded. The PET timer is started. You have a go to re-enable thrusters.
Joe, we copy. Great work, guys.
Release confirmed at 4:49 a.m. Central Time. The first burn has been completed. We're standing by for the second one.
Station Houston on 2. Departure burn 1 is complete. Departure burn 2 will be starting momentarily.
Copy, Houston.
Departure burn 2 has been completed. So the Dragon spacecraft wraps up the first of its 2 departure burns. There's another one coming up in just a few minutes. In about 6.5 minutes, it will conduct the third and final departure burn. But the teams are reporting that both of those burns were completed successfully. Everything looks good. So again, Dragon is released this morning at 4:49 a.m. Central Time, 5:49 a.m. Eastern. The 2 spacecraft were high above the Southern Ocean, just to the southeast of Africa. Burn 1 was completed at 4:50 a.m. Central